military records.
Records, yeah.
So there is your Henry Fletcher, but you've found this record anyway, haven't you?
Is this the yeah. Oh,
Okay,
hang
so
on.
this
Yeah.
this is his First World War.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so we found this one. Okay.
Yeah.
So as I've said,
Yeah.
these were the burnt records because obviously on this page, particularly here, it's looking a bit ragged around the edges.
Yeah.
So I put all this on here forgetting that you found it. So I
That's
think
all right.
we can probably skip through a lot of this. But what I would say is, actually, let me just, how far have I gone through? Because I found on here the records you mentioned about his wife died, and
Yes.
it's all in
Yeah.
here, and yeah,
Where did you find that? Was that through
it was on
Ancestry though?
Ancestry. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
must have been where
I
you
didn't
found it as well.
didn't I wasn't able to get such good prints of that, or copies, versions. How did you get such nice versions to save? Because mine came out very small.
Ah, um,
Be my lack of technical know-how.
uh, well, let me just go back a minute. Let me just go back onto this one on here. So there's the record. You can view it,
Yeah.
and I think at the top you can save it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I again, this is only a screenshot, so I can't actually click on that save button. But I think if you download it yourself, rather than just copying it off the screen from the view, I think, well, that's how I would have done
That's
it.
probably the way I
So
did it. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah,
I'll go
try
in
that.
and get better ones. Yeah.
Yes. What I would show you is this. This is not your relative. This is my great grandfather's First World War. Um, this is the medal record card.
Yeah.
So have you got these, friend? Have you seen these before?
I think I saw one for him
So I did have
through
a look, but obviously couldn't.
through yeah. I have seen something, but it didn't really make. I got. It's making sense of it, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes. It's all in code.
Yes.
So yeah. So this shows that my great grandfather was in the Royal Field Artillery. He was a
Yeah.
driver. That's the D.
Oh,
Yeah, driver. Yes, I think that is driver.
same as my
And
granddad, great granddad. Yeah.
yes, yeah, I think we found out that last time. And it's got his regimental number up there as well, and then
Yeah.
obviously it lists which medals he was awarded as well.
Mm.
So they're quite useful. Some people, this is all they've got from their ancestor.